Happy holidays, everybody. What's good? I'm so excited today. My package finally came in. I've been waiting for this for like months now. Package was back ordered for about a month, so it just shipped out on the 17th, I believe, and it's finally here today. So Santa came early. I can't tell you guys how excited I actually am about this. Like, I've been wanting them for a really long time, and the S197 like interior is horrible. I hate it. So this is gonna really make it look good. Because I've been waiting for like this moment to reveal what I had ordered. I want to give a big shout out to Brian Tyrada Racing for hooking me up with the company and letting me know about them and really getting me into, messaging them, because they are also my new sponsor, which I'm pretty excited about. So the wait is finally over. I'm finally ready to show y'all what I got, and it is the Brom Racing seats. I'm so excited. Funny story about these seats that I got. I actually sent the company the wrong SKU number. The original seats that I was gonna get were the ones that I was settling for. So the seats that I actually got were the ones that I really wanted. So I'm pretty excited, like beyond excited for these. So I am gonna open these up and get them out and show y'all what they look like. Seat brackets and everything that came separately in a different box. This is just the actual seats. So let's go ahead and see what they look like. Trying not to lose a finger. Oh my goodness. They're in here. I did get the choice of some merch when I ordered these, so I went ahead and got this is my duffel bag, I believe. It's been a while, I don't remember what I got. But yes, oh, it comes in this cute little pouch, like, oh my god. Very nice. Oh wait, it actually is like a pouch, like, the duffel bag folds itself into a pouch. Like, oh my god, that was so cool. Okay. It's got a long strap right here. This is nice. See that? We got the Brom Racing logo on there. Very nice, very nice. It's like a little pouch within the bag that you can fold the bag into. Very cool. I like that. And this longer strap in case you don't want to hold it by the two shorter ones. I like that. We will be using that for stuff. It really is Christmas time. Let's see what we got in here. Ooh, whoops, we got Brom decals galore. Ooh, we got two big Brom stickers, little mini banners. And we got two little mini decals. Nice. Guys, they're really so awesome. They sent like extra stuff. Like, that's so cool. I love this company. Oh, I'm so proud to be sponsored by them. Wow, they sent me their windbreaker. That is so cool. Look at that. It's got the Brom logo on it and everything. Ooh, love it. Look, the Brom shirt. This is the back. And then the front. I love it. Okay, we got the hardware, bolts and nuts and everything that we're gonna need. Let's not lose this. This is very important. Okay, let me place that there, because we can't lose that. Alright, so now the actual seats, now that the fun stuff is over, we got seats packed. They're packed in here nice and tight. Brom does an amazing job with their packaging and making sure everything ships well, doesn't get ruined. Each seat is covered in their own little bag. So we can get these out. And they're packed and they're good. They really do packaged everything so nicely in that box. Like, both seats are in there and safe. So they had it nice and tight right here, tied up with some nice little drawstrings. Pull those back and we get our seat. Ooh. Like I said, they package everything nice. They look even better in person than they do online. Huge shout out to Braun for being my new sponsor. So proud to be repping them. These seats are seriously amazing. I couldn't be happier with them. Alright guys, so there you have it. These are the Braun Racing Elite X Series Diamond Edition seats. They are beautiful. They have gray stitching and everything. Went ahead and brought both of them out here so we can see. They're gonna look so good in sin. I do not know when I'm gonna make that video of the installation, but hopefully soon. With this week being the holidays and everything, Christmas, New Year's, you know, everything coming up, I don't know when I'll be able to get them installed, but hopefully pretty soon. Braun was amazing enough to include all the hardware needed to get these installed. So it should be easy peasy, simple bolt on. Pull out the seats, rehook the electronics, everything are good. The rails were also at the bottom of the box. I had to dig in there to get them. Kind of funny, didn't record that part, but I ran inside real quick to go grab my camera and take a photo and also double check that there was nothing else in the box, and there was. Do not throw your hardware away or your rails. You do not want to do that. So this is the beginning of the 2020 interior upgrade series. So like, comment, and subscribe guys, and stay tuned for that install video. Hopefully we'll be coming soon.